Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the fascinating and unknown facts about different cuisines and culinary delights. Today, we have a treat for all the food enthusiasts out there as we delve into the world of Pandolce Genovese. You might think you know everything about this Italian sweetbread, but get ready to be surprised. Let's uncover some unknown facts about Pandolce Genovese. Brief introduction to Pandolce Genovese. Before we dive into the unknown, let's quickly recap what Pandolce Genovese is for those who might not be familiar. Pandolce Genovese is a traditional Christmas sweetbread originating from the beautiful region of Genoa in Italy. It's often loaded with candied fruits, nuts, and a hint of spices, making it a festive favorite. The unique origin story. Now, let's kick things off with an interesting fact about the origin of Pandolce Genovese. Did you know that its roots can be traced back to the 16th century? That's right! This delightful sweetbread has been enchanting taste buds for centuries, with its recipe passed down from generation to generation in Genoa. The symbolic shapes. Another fascinating aspect of Pandolce Genovese is its symbolic shapes. Traditionally, this sweetbread comes in various forms, each carrying its own meaning. The Pandolce of Peace is shaped like an olive branch, symbolizing harmony and tranquility, while the Pandolce of Liberty takes on the shape of a ship, representing freedom and prosperity. Secret ingredients. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredients that give Pandolce Genovese its unique flavor profile. While most people are aware of the candied fruits and nuts, there's a lesser-known ingredient that adds a special touch: rosewater. Yes, you heard it right. The addition of rosewater gives Pandolce Genovese a subtle floral aroma that sets it apart from other festive treats. The Pandolce Festival. Here's a fact that might surprise you: there's actually a festival dedicated entirely to Pandolce Genovese. Every year in December, the city of Genoa hosts the Festival of Pandolce, where locals and visitors come together to celebrate this beloved sweetbread. The festival features baking competitions, tastings, and even a parade dedicated to the iconic treat. Cultural significance. Beyond its delicious taste, Pandolce Genovese holds immense cultural significance. Did you know that it was originally created as a gesture of goodwill? Legend has it that during the Renaissance, the Genoese would exchange Pandolce as a symbol of peace and friendship during the Christmas season. It truly is a bread of unity. Artisanal craftsmanship. What sets Pandolce Genovese apart is the meticulous artisanal craftsmanship that goes into its making. Many families in Genoa take pride in passing down their secret recipes and baking techniques from one generation to the next. The process involves patience, skill, and a genuine love for the craft. Evolving flavors. While the traditional Pandolce Genovese is beloved for its classic combination of candied fruits and nuts, did you know that there are modern variations with unique flavors? Some bakers experiment with ingredients like chocolate, citrus zest, and even exotic spices, adding a contemporary twist to this time-honored treat. The Pandolce Genovese. Now, here's a fun fact for all the home bakers out there. Making your own Pandolce Genovese can be a rewarding experience. With the rise of online recipes and tutorials, enthusiasts from around the world are trying their hand at creating this Italian masterpiece in their own kitchens. It's a delicious way to bring a touch of Genoa to your holiday celebrations. Pandolce pairings. Pandolce Genovese isn't just a standalone treat. It also shines when paired with certain beverages. Italians often enjoy it with a glass of sweet wine, such as Moscato or Passito, enhancing the overall tasting experience. The combination of the sweet, fruity bread and a well-paired drink is simply divine. Historical twists. Did you know that Pandolce Genovese has witnessed some intriguing historical twists? During the Middle Ages, Genoa was a major trading hub, and spices like nutmeg and cinnamon, which are now associated with Pandolce, were considered rare and luxurious. The inclusion of these spices in the sweetbread reflected the city's prosperity and cultural influences. The art of aging. Here's a fascinating aspect. Much like fine wine and cheese, Pandolce Genovese gets better with age. The flavors meld and intensify over time, making it a common practice for families to bake their Pandolce well in advance of the holiday season. It's like a culinary time capsule, capturing the essence of tradition in every bite. Pandolce poetry. Would you believe that Pandolce Genovese has inspired poetry? In the 19th century, Italian poet Giuseppe Giusti dedicated verses to this beloved sweetbread. His words not only praised its taste but also celebrated the cultural significance and festive spirit embodied in every loaf. It goes to show that Pandolce is not just food, it's poetry on a plate. And there you have it, some unknown and delightful facts about Pandolce Genovese. Next time you enjoy a slice of this festive sweetbread, remember the centuries-old tradition, the symbolic shapes, the secret ingredients, and the lively festival that celebrates its deliciousness. If you enjoyed learning about Pandolce Genovese, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking and exploring the world of delicious surprises. Thanks for watching. If you have any other culinary mysteries you'd like us to uncover, leave your suggestions in the comments, and we'll make sure to explore them in future videos. Stay tuned, and see you in the next one.